Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Jessica and welcome and thank you so much for being here. And for everyone that is returning, thank you as well. Feeling a little under the weather, so please bear with me. In today's video is going to be a kitchen clean with me. Just trying to get it together, and then I will have a little haul, and at the end my grandbaby's making cookies and showing their cookies off, and I hope everyone enjoys this cleaning motivation that I have for you today, and everyone has a Merry Christmas.
Finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book.
Just thought I'd switch the music up for a little while for you guys, so hope you enjoy.
We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Be in the moment with me. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. I know you're hiding behind that pretty brown face. I see you climbing. Been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, babe, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
The snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas, when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special, 'cause I'm hoping for us to fall in love in this winter wonderland. Chilling by the fire as I'm trying to get your attention, giving you a smile. I can't seem to look away. I might be crazy, but I think you feel it too. Like a vibration right between us with a beautiful two. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland? Cold night, but I'm warm inside. Already said a little prayer that you will stick around. Is this year I'm really hoping for a kiss under the mistletoe? As hours pass by, all the stars shine much brighter. Or is it just your eyes that have lit something in me? I see you coming closer from across the room. My heart is pounding really fast, I don't know what to do. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland? shortcuts I'm hoping for, that we'll fall in love in this winterland. Could we fall in love in this winterland? Wanna fall in love in this winter wonderland. Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
Hey guys, here just with a little grocery haul. I thought I'd add this on to my Clean With Me that you just saw. So here we got some 24 pack of Scott's toilet paper, a 24 pack of waters. Over here got some Head and Shoulders shampoo that my husband requested. And I accidentally grabbed the Clorox and I do not like them because I do not use bleach, so I won't be using those. He got some shaving cream, some baby wipes, got some of my toothpaste, his toothpaste, and found this cute little blanket for $5 with the Christmas tree. Got some command strip hooks, some Capri Suns, so a little thing of spaghetti and meatballs, some Funfetti vanilla frosting. Actually just needed the frosting for the cookies. Got some peanut butter, some apple juice, some extra toasty Cheez-Its are the bomb, some cheese puffs, and just some cheap, cheesy, crunchy Cheetos. Got some bowls, because I needed just some cheap bowls. Got 4 of these chicken nuggets and macaroni and cheese dinners. I got one of these for me because they're super good. And I got some snacks. I got some peanut M&Ms, some regular M&Ms, some Junior Mints, some Boston baked beans, and some chocolate covered peanuts. 2 packs of cookies. And actually the sugar cookies are plain because we're just going to do fast decorate cookies with my grandkids today. And some hot chocolate and some Gushers, some Texas toast, and some cereal. So that's what I got. Just a little quick little Family Dollar haul because I needed some snacks and stuff because the kids are coming. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the Clean With Me in this little grocery haul. And I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.